Shiny!
Hey friends! Look at these cute sea animal puzzles! Huh? Where did they go? Oh no, they all ran away! Come on, let's go find them! Look what I have! 3 colorful balls! Let's roll them down the slide! Red ball! Blue ball! And green ball! Wow, look! It's a whale! Whales are giant ocean mammals that breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads. Some whales, like blue whales, are so big that their tongues can weigh as much as an elephant. Let's put our whale here, in the corner. Are there any other animals here? Aw, it's a cute little penguin! And here's another fish. What kind of fish is this? You're right! It's a shark! Sharks are amazing ocean animals with super sharp teeth and a great sense of smell. Some sharks can even lose and grow thousands of teeth during their lifetime. Here's your spot, Mr. Shark. Look, there are 3 piles of sand. What is this for? Oh, I know! It's for digging! Let's check the blue sand first. Ooh, I see something red. It's a crab! Crabs are small sea animals with hot shells and big claws. They walk sideways instead of forward, like tiny sideways dancers on the beach. Let's put our crab right here. Now, which one should we dig next? Let's choose the pink sand. There seems to be nothing inside. Hey, wait! I see a pair of cute eyes! It's a starfish! Starfish are ocean animals shaped like stars. They don't have bones like us, and they move slowly using tiny tube feet underneath their arms. They can even grow back a lost arm if it breaks. Let's put it right here with the crab. Now let's dig the last pile, the green sand. Oh, there's something yellow. It's a seashell. Seashells are hard, empty homes that sea animals like snails once lived in. They wash up on the beach in many shapes, sizes, and beautiful patterns. Let's place it right over here in the corner. Let's complete this puzzle together. Wow, look at this big green shell. Who does it belong to? Let's find the head. Is this its head? No, that's not right. That's a rabbit head. Maybe this blue one? Huh? That's an owl head. No, still not it. It looks so silly. Let's try the last piece. Yes, it fits perfectly. It's a sea turtle. Sea turtles can live for over 50 years. Baby turtles hatch on the beach and crawl straight to the sea. They also always try to return to the same beach where they were born. Here you go, Mr. Turtle. Friends, can you help me sort these sea animals? This is a blue whale. Let's put it into the blue bowl. This is a green octopus. Put it into the green bowl. This is an orange turtle. Put it into the orange bowl. And here is a yellow lobster. Put it into the yellow bowl. Let's speed it up. This is so much fun. Green. Blue. Yellow. Orange. Oh, wait. What's that? It's an octopus. Octopuses are super smart ocean animals with 8 long arms. They can squeeze into tiny spaces and even change color to hide from danger. Let's put it right here. Look at all these puzzle pieces. Where should we start? Let's pick this one. Jellyfish! This is so much fun! Hermit crab. What animal is this? A lobster. What's next? Do you know? Yay! It's a dolphin! Dolphins are smart and playful ocean animals that love to swim and jump. They use clicks and whistles to talk to each other underwater. Time to keep playing! This is a clownfish. Can you guess what's next? Yay! It's a seahorse! Seahorses are tiny sea animals that swim upright in the water. They use their curly tails to hold onto plants and coral so they don't drift away in the ocean. Where is its spot? Yes, right here! Friends, look! This is a magic bowl! Look at these beads! They're so bouncy and squishy! Hey, I found something! It's a stingray! But it's not what we're looking for. Let's keep searching. What's this? Wow, I found another one! It's a squid! Squids are fast ocean animals with long bodies and 10 arms. They have very large eyes that help them see in the deep, dark ocean. Let's put you right here, buddy. Are there any more surprises in the magic bowl? Huh? You see something? Oh, what is this? Friends, it's a swordfish! Swordfish are fast ocean predators with a long, sharp bill that looks like a sword. They use it to slash through schools of fish while swimming very quickly. Friends, can you help me sort these shapes? This is a circle! Let's stack all the circles right here. This is a semicircle. Good job! And this is a triangle. You are doing great. Next is a square. Great job! Wow, look! It's our angelfish! Angelfish are colorful ocean fish with flat, disc-shaped bodies and long, flowing fins. They often swim slowly around coral reefs and hide among plants for safety. Let's put it right into the last spot. Yay! We did it! Give yourselves a big round of applause. We found all the missing sea animals, and we learned so much about them today. If you want to watch more fun videos like this, remember to ask your parents to subscribe! Okay, see you in the next one!